Hello, I am Mrs. O'Brien, and this is the solution to homework question 3 from section 12.2. Problem number 3 is an area problem. Start by drawing a diagram. It states the Johnsons are planning to build a 5-foot wide brick walkway around their rectangular garden. It is 20 feet wide and 30 feet long. What will the area of this walkway be? Before you solve the problem yourself, use Caitlin's idea. Part A, Caitlin's idea is to use the takeaway area model. So basically find the area of the larger rectangle, and subtract the area of the white rectangle. What will be left is the shaded area. So it wants us to explain clearly how to apply these moving and adaptivity principles to this area. Technically, this would be a takeaway type problem. So let's look at the diagram a little closer. We'll notice here that there's 5 feet here, 5 feet here, which means there is also going to be 5 feet on either side. So there's 5 feet over here, and there's 5 feet from here to here. What that tells us is that the distance, therefore, from the very top of the pink rectangle to the bottom is 30, because you have the 20 of the garden plus the 5 on either side for the walkway. And then across we have the 30 where the green garden is, but we have an additional 5 on either side, giving us a total of 40 feet wide. So we're going to use these dimensions to find the area of each piece. The area of this pink rectangle would be 40 by 30, or 1,200 square feet. The area of the garden, which is this green part here, would be 30 by 20, or 600 square feet. The area of the gray part would be the difference between those, so the walkway is going to be 1,200 minus 600, or 600 square feet. There was a part B to this question in which they asked us to do it a different way than using the takeaway model. So another way we could do this problem is by subdividing the gray walkway into 4 rectangles. Finding the dimensions of each of those rectangles, we see our blue rectangle is a 5 by 20 and our pink rectangle is a 5 by 30. So we're going to use this to calculate the area of both of those rectangles. We notice that the blue rectangles occur twice and the pink rectangles occur twice. So if we add all of those areas together, we end up with 600 square feet, the same answer we had using the other method. Thanks for watching. The images in this question came from our textbook, Mathematics for Elementary Teachers with Activities.